Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Turn on Quick Share on your phone and nearby sharing on the PC, then make the phone discoverable. Once done, open the file or photo you want to send and tap Share, choosing Quick Share. On the PC, set receiving visibility to everyone nearby or my devices so the phone sees it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active. This creates the peer link used to negotiate the transfer and speeds up discovery and handshakes. After selecting the PC on your phone, confirm the connection prompt that appears on both devices. This verifies identity and establishes encryption. Once the transfer starts, watch the progress indicator and avoid switching networks, which can interrupt transfer. If you're sending multiple files, Quick Share queues items automatically. Make sure you accept or set a default folder on the PC so files don't go to an unexpected location. Pauses let you resume without restarting the whole queue. When the transfer completes, open the file to confirm it's intact and not truncated. If everything looks good, you're done. If the transfer fails, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices and retry. Often repairing solves handshake errors. Make sure both devices are on the latest updates and that power-saving modes aren't blocking background connections. As a key troubleshooting tip, switch visibility to everyone nearby briefly to bypass strict device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.